Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Plasma Cutter New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best plasma cutter in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this plasma cutter, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Amoco Cut 50 HF 50 Amp Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter, Pro. 95 260V wide voltage, 3/5 in. Clean cut cutting machine. Cut 50 HF incorporates the most advanced IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting processes, resulting in excellent arc stability. The cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work effortlessly and quickly, regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. The lightweight model design makes the machine very convenient to carry anywhere. Cut 50 HF can achieve perfect cutting, and the strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Can cut up to 4/5 inches stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, pig iron, cast iron, aluminum alloy, aluminum and other conductive metals, resulting in straight cuts, angles, holes, curves, notches, slots, circles, V-grooves, and many others in minutes. Cut 50 HF is an intelligent power supply system. The automatic selection function can automatically detect the input voltage so that you can easily use it in of 90V to 300V, and the machine will automatically adjust it. It is designed for demanding industrial work and construction and simple tasks around houses. With less work, you can achieve better results overall with sharper cuts. 0.60% duty cycle can ensure long-term and efficient cutting. NPT 1/4 inch industrial D-type coupler can easily and quickly connect to the air compressor. Extending the power cord by 700 feet can also resist power fluctuations and cable attenuation. The machine can still work normally. It is fully suitable for difficult operations in construction sites, ship docks, agricultural sites, and relatively remote areas.
Top 9.
Thulium Plasma Cutter 50A Non-Touch Pilot Air Plasma Cutter Inverter DC Digital Display IGBT Portable Cutting Machine, 110V 220V Dual Voltage Non-Touch Arc. The torch head does not need to touch the metal plate, then it will start arc. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. UP to 50A output, 15/64 inch clean cut, and 31/64 inch maximum severance cut at 220V equipped with high frequency, more easier to arc start. Efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces. Widely used for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and other color metal materials. Auto voltage, adapts to 110 volts 220 volts input power. Plug adapters included.
Top 8.
Flaring Plasma Cutter Machine Pilot Arc 50 Amp 110 220 VFL 550D Non-Touch a half clean cut max 16mm IGBT high frequency inverter plasma cutting machine. Non-touch FL 550 cuts rough painted rusty surfaces efficiently but produces minimal slag. Cut without touching the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Breaker recommendation 50A on 110V 30A on 220V. Cutting ability 10 to 50 ADC output a half ideal clean cut and 3/5 maximum severance cut on 220 volts 10 to 35 ADC output 1/3 ideal clean cut and 2/5 maximum severance cut on 110 volts. Work with the non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron and chrome. Advanced IGBT inverter save energy and noiseless, high cutting speed cutting smoothly. The conversion line is easy to transfer from input 110V to 220V dual frequency, 110 120V 220 240V 50/60 Hz. Air pressure 60 to 70 psi recommended. Safe design, built-in overheat over voltage protection. It is under voltage protection. It is not only can be suitable for businesses and D users, but also fully accommodating the demands of professional operators. Warranty assurance. We are a manufacturer with over 10 years' experience of professionals producing the plasma cutter machines. 3 years warranty. Please add to cart and take it without hesitation.
Top 7.
Reboot plasma cutter machine IGBT inverter CUT50 and a half clean cut 110-220 V50 ampere plasma cutting machine max cut 15mm high frequency cutting for aluminum alloy mild steel cast iron. About the gift, we will send it separately, so please contact us after your order. Cutting thickness Reboot cutting machine 20 to 50 ADC output, a half ideal clean cutting and 3/4 severance cutting under 220-240 volts 20 to 35 ADC output, 1/3 ideal clean cutting and 2/5 severance cutting under 110-120 V air pressure 60 psi. Recommendation: widely application and low cost. This cutting machine available for cutting most metals, stainless steel, alloy, aluminum, mild steel, carbon steel. Widely used for automotive, ducting work, repair, maintenance. Metal processing manufacturer. Generator supported. This RBC 5000D plasma cutting machine works well with a generator, but we suggest a 5000W above generator and 30A breaker needed for 220V, 50A breaker for 110V. Blowing back pre-made 3 seconds of blowing time after you release the torch to cool down the cutting torch head and consumables. 110-220V input automatic dual voltage dual frequency 110-120 volts 220-240 volts 50-60 Hz warranty. Buy this plasma cutter with confidence as Reboot offers 3-year limited warranty and free consumables guarantee. Besides, you will get a local supports for any assistance.
Top 6.
APC 70HF Professional 70 amp non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter, 1.2-inch clean cut, 80% duty cycle, 90V to 300V wide voltage cutting machine. APC 70HF incorporates the most advanced IGBT inverter technology and non-touch pilot arc cutting processes, resulting in excellent arc stability. The cutting effect is very ideal and can finish the work effortlessly and quickly, regardless if the material is very rough, rusty, greasy, dirty, spray painted, etc. The lightweight model design makes the machine very convenient to carry anywhere. APC 70HF can achieve perfect cutting, and the strength of its components makes it a reliable work tool for professionals or individuals. Can cut up to 1.2 inches stainless steel, alloy steel, low carbon steel, copper, iron, pig iron, cast iron, aluminum alloy, aluminum and other conductive metals, resulting in straight cuts, angles, holes, curves, notches, slots, circles, V-grooves, and many others in minutes. APC 70HF is an intelligent power supply system. The automatic selection function can automatically detect the input voltage so that you can easily use it in of 90V to 300V, and the machine will automatically adjust it. It is designed for demanding industrial work and construction and simple tasks around houses. With less work, you can achieve better results overall with sharper cuts. 0.80% duty cycle can ensure long-term and efficient cutting. NPT 1/4-inch industrial D-type coupler can easily and quickly connect to the air compressor.
Top 5.
Lotos LTPDC 2000D non-touch pilot arc 50A plasma cutter 200A, TIG welder and stick welder 3-in-1 combo welding machine 1/2-inch clean cut brown non-touch plasma cutter. 10 to 50 AMP plasma cutter current output, max ideal cut thickness. A half, max severance thickness. 3/4, pilot arc torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Compact plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. TIG welder. 15 to 200 AMP DC TIG electric current output, quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials, HF arc start hand torch control, and precise foot pedal welding heat control foot pedal not included. Stick MMA welder. 15 to 200 AMP DC stick MMA electric current output, easy arc start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape, adjustable hot striking arc current, which can greatly improve the arc starting function.
Top 4.
Lotos LTP 8080 a plasma cutter with pilot arc metal cutter 220-240V, 1-inch clean cut, brown portable and powerful. LTP 8000 plasma cutter has a handle for portability and uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. Set up within 1 min. The per installed NPT 1/4 industry type deep plug and air filter regulator allows you to quick connect to your air compressor by using this stand coupler on your air compressor. Non-touch pilot arc torch efficiently cuts though rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. 2T4T enabled release your finger for long time cut, input and output 220V 240V, 1 pH, 50-60 Hz at 50 input, automatic dual frequency, 50-60 Hz.
Top 3.
2021 PowerPlasma 82i80 Amp CNC compatible plasma cutter limited time offer comes with blowback IGBT plasma torch IGBT Infineon modules inverter technology 80 AMP inverter type cutter at 60% duty cycle, 5-year, parts and labor ideal for regularly cutting a maximum 1 maximum cut for quality at 10 to 12 IPM, steel, 1 1/4.
Top 2.
Plasma cutter, 10 to 25A, inverter, 70 SI occupational health and safety country of manufacturer, Poland manufacturer, Lincoln Electric.
Top 1.
Miller Electric 907,529 plasma cutter, inverter, Spectrum 375 occupational health and safety country of manufacturer, United States manufacturer, Miller Electric.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.